It's setting up to be a chilly start to the day. We have our trade winds still here and blowing strong. After that cold front passed us, we saw cooler, drier air filling in from the north, and that's what we're waking up to this morning. So I'm sure a lot of you had trouble getting out of bed. If you're like me, I had to grab an extra blanket, bundle up, but it's definitely a chilly start to the day. A lot of us waking up in the 60s. Right now, we have that area of high pressure that's still to the northwest of the state, delivering us a nice northeasterly flow. So not only do we have the nice low temperatures, but with the strong winds that we've had, it also feels even chillier. Now, our dew point temps are in the 50s, so it's definitely a chilly start to the day once again. And along with our trade winds, we're seeing a little bit of a wet start for the windward sides as well. Now, we're expecting passing windward Mocha showers once again for today, but a lot of sunshine for the leeward sections. Take a look at the rainfall that we have right now. Again, nothing heavy, but it's a little bit widespread, at least for what we're seeing on the windward sides. Our trade winds are here and blowing up to about 25 miles an hour, so not as strong as what we saw yesterday, but so no longer under that wind advisory, but again, still nice and breezy. Take a look at our current conditions. Right now, 69 degrees in Lihue and Honolulu, 64 in Molokai, 65 in Lanai City. So the chilly temps are here, and it looks like they're here to stay for at least a couple more days. We have a high today, a state forecast high of about 81 degrees. Here in town, take a look at our lows. We're getting into the 60s as well, at least through the next couple of days, and then we warm up a little bit more, but chilly temps expected to continue through the rest of the forecast period.